Let's make Japanese Mentaiko Spaghetti. Let's start by prepping our mentaiko, and we just want to score our mentaiko and scrape out the eggs. So what you'll end up with is the eggs separated from the sac, which is this thin layer of skin. Once you've scraped all of the mentaiko out of the sac, we're going to transfer this into a bowl and set aside some reserve for garnishing purposes. I've just heated up some garlic-infused olive oil and butter in a saucepan, and I'm just adding this into the mentaiko. We're just gonna give this a good mix and set it aside while we cook our pasta according to the directions on the box. Once your pasta is cooked, we want to transfer this into the mentaiko sauce, which we prepared earlier, and give it a good toss to evenly coat the pasta with our sauce. And now we're ready to plate our pasta, so portion it out accordingly onto your plate and top it off with the reserved mentaiko, which we set aside earlier for our garnish, as well as some Japanese seaweed. And we're done. Enjoy!